Imagine this. You're in your living room, the TV remote in one hand and a crossword puzzle in the other. You squint, thinking the print must have gotten smaller overnight. But no, your eyes are simply not as sharp as they used to be. This scene plays out for millions of seniors every day. The truth is, once you cross the age of 60, your eyes begin a slow but steady transformation. The lens becomes less flexible, the retina, the thin layer of light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye, starts to lose efficiency, and the tear glands don't produce as much moisture. The result? Blurry vision, trouble seeing at night, dry eyes, and a much higher risk of serious conditions like macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts. And here's the part most people don't realize. Much of this damage isn't from just getting old. It's from oxidative stress, a constant attack on your eye cells by unstable molecules called free radicals. Over time, this microscopic warfare damages the delicate structures in your eyes. The good news, there's a way to fight back, and it doesn't require surgery or expensive treatments. Your body has a built-in repair mode, and it switches on while you sleep. During deep rest, blood flow to the eyes increases, cellular cleanup crews remove damaged proteins, and antioxidant compounds work to heal microscopic tears and protect against further injury. This means what you do right before bed can either supercharge this repair process or sabotage it. And that's where certain bedtime drinks come in. The right warm tea, smoothie, or infusion can flood your body with eye-protecting nutrients, vitamins like A, C, and E, minerals like zinc, and powerful plant compounds like lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins. Taken before bed, these nutrients are delivered directly to your eyes at the very moment they're repairing themselves. In this Holic video, you'll discover for specific drinks that not only taste great, but also target the root causes of age-related vision decline. The goal? To help you wake up seeing more clearly with eyes that feel refreshed instead of strained. The clock is ticking on your eyesight, but starting tonight, you can tip the odds back in your favor. Your eyes are like tiny cameras, constantly processing light, adjusting focus, and sending millions of visual signals to your brain every second. This non-stop work is exhausting, and it's why your eyes desperately need downtime to recover. That recovery happens most effectively when you sleep. While you rest, your body enters repair mode. In this state, cells throughout your body, including the delicate cells of your cornea, lens, and retina, receive a surge of oxygen and nutrients. Damaged proteins are broken down and removed, new proteins are built, and antioxidant systems go into overdrive to neutralize harmful free radicals. In fact, studies show that during REM sleep, the dream phase, blood flow to the eyes increases dramatically. This increased circulation delivers essential compounds that repair microscopic tears in tissues, replenish moisture in the tear film, and restore the retina's light-detecting cells. Without adequate sleep, this repair process is cut short, which is why chronic sleep deprivation can lead to persistent dryness, puffiness, and blurred vision. Here's the exciting part. When you drink nutrient-rich beverages before bed, you're effectively preloading your bloodstream with the exact compounds your eyes need during this repair window. It's like handing your body a fully stocked toolbox right before it starts the night shift. Think of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin as the repair crew's protective shields, guarding the retina from blue light and oxidative damage. Vitamin C strengthens the blood vessels that feed your eyes, vitamin A maintains the cornea's smooth surface, and zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, the pigment that protects your eyes. By timing your nutrient intake to coincide with your body's natural healing rhythm, you're not just maintaining your vision, you're actively improving it. Over time, this can mean sharper images, better night vision, and a noticeable reduction in eye strain. When most people think of eye vitamins, they picture vitamin A and maybe a bit of vitamin C. But here's the secret: your eyes rely on a much wider range of nutrients. And missing even one can slow repair, increase strain, and leave you vulnerable to long-term damage. Let's start with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids often called the sunglasses of your eyes. They filter harmful blue light before it can damage your retina and act as powerful antioxidants to neutralize free radicals. Your body can't produce them on its own, so they must come from your diet. Next up is anthocyanins, plant pigments found in deep purple and blue foods like blueberries, blackcurrants, and bilberries. These improve blood flow to the retina, strengthen the walls of tiny capillaries, and enhance night vision. Vitamin E is another overlooked hero. As a fat-soluble antioxidant, it protects the delicate membranes of your eye cells from oxidative stress. Think of it as the bodyguard for your cornea and lens. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are critical for maintaining the structural integrity of your retina. Low levels of DHA are linked to dry eye syndrome and reduced visual sharpness. Zinc is the delivery truck in this equation. It transports vitamin A from the liver to the retina so it can produce melanin, the pigment that shields your eyes from harmful light. And don't forget vitamin C. Beyond boosting immunity, it keeps the capillaries in your eyes strong and resilient, reducing the risk of retinal bleeding and cataract formation. Here's the problem: the average senior diet is often lacking in these nutrients thanks to processed foods, reduced appetite, and digestive changes that affect absorption. That's why strategic nighttime drinks are so powerful. They can be formulated to pack in exactly what your eyes need, at the precise time they need it. Drink number 1, golden carrot and turmeric milk. Our first bedtime drink is a classic in natural healing circles, golden carrot and turmeric milk. At first glance, it might sound like a simple spiced milk, but the nutrient profile is a powerhouse for aging eyes. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, the plant form of vitamin A, which is crucial for good night vision and preventing xerophthalmia, a condition where the cornea dries out and thickens. Beta-carotene also helps your eyes adjust more easily between light and dark environments, a skill many seniors lose over time. Turmeric brings curcumin to the mix, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation is a hidden driver behind many eye conditions, from uveitis to diabetic retinopathy. Curcumin also improves blood flow to the eyes, ensuring a steady delivery of oxygen and nutrients during the night. The warm milk base is more than just a carrier. It contains small amounts of tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes melatonin production, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. A well-rested body repairs more effectively. To make it, warm 1 cup of milk, dairy, or fortified plant-based. Stir in 1/2 cup carrot juice. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Sweeten lightly with honey if desired. Sip slowly before bed. This drink delivers vitamin A, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory benefits directly to your eyes while you sleep. Drink number 2, blueberry and almond smoothie. This bedtime drink is cool, creamy, and feels like a dessert, but it's a treat your eyes will thank you for. Blueberry and almond smoothie. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which not only protect retinal capillaries, but also enhance rhodopsin regeneration, the process that allows your eyes to adjust to darkness. This means better night vision and less glare sensitivity. Almonds bring vitamin E to the table, protecting your eye tissues from oxidative damage. Studies show vitamin E slows the progression of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. To make it, blend 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Add 1/2 cup frozen blueberries. Toss in 1 tablespoon almond butter for creaminess. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed for extra omega-3 south, because it's cold and refreshing. This smoothie is perfect if you prefer a light bedtime snack over a warm drink. It's also naturally low in sugar, so it won't spike your blood sugar before sleep, a critical point for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. Drink number 3, chamomile and goji berry tea. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties, helping you drift into a deeper sleep. But when paired with goji berries, it becomes a nighttime eye elixir. Goji berries are packed with zeaxanthin and lutein, carotenoids that accumulate in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp vision. Higher macular pigment density is linked to better visual performance and a lower risk of macular degeneration. The tea's warm, soothing nature also relaxes your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your eyes during their repair phase. To make it, steep 1 tablespoon dried goji berries in hot water for 5 minutes. Add 1 chamomile tea bag and steep for another 3 to 4 minutes. Sip slowly and feel free to eat the softened goji berries at the end. They're delicious and nutrient-rich. This drink is perfect for anyone who wants a calming bedtime ritual while boosting night vision and protecting against age-related vision decline. Drink number 4, warm spinach and lemon broth. Spinach might not sound like a bedtime drink, but when prepared as a light, savory broth, it's surprisingly comforting. Spinach is a top source of lutein, which helps keep the lens clear and reduces cataract risk. Adding lemon juice boosts vitamin C content, strengthening the delicate blood vessels in your eyes and acting as a shield against oxidative stress. To make it, lightly simmer 1 cup chopped spinach into cups water for 5 minutes. Strain, keeping the nutrient-rich broth. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon and a pinch of sea salt. It's light enough not to feel heavy before bed, but powerful enough to deliver a concentrated dose of eye-healing nutrients. Pairing these drinks with the right habits can double their benefits. First, dim your lights an hour before bed to reduce blue light strain. Second, avoid screen time or use blue light blocking glasses. Third, use a warm compress over your eyes for 5 minutes to boost circulation. These small adjustments, combined with nutrient-rich drinks, set the stage for optimal overnight healing. Avoid sleeping with contact lenses, skipping makeup removal, and using harsh ceiling lights late at night. Also, steer clear of high-sugar snacks before bed, as they spike inflammation, the enemy of healthy eyes. For the next month, pick 1 drink per night, rotating through all 4. Pair it with good sleep hygiene and reduced blue light exposure. The message is simple: caring for your eyes isn't just about what you avoid, it's about what you feed them, especially before bed when the magic of repair truly happens.